Yo, what's going on, brothers? Welcome back to Brotherhood Finance. In today's video, I'm going to be going over one of my favorite vegan food stocks. So I think the vegan food industry has a massive upside potential. We've seen, food and diets change over time, the way we eat, what we've learned about nutrition and all those other aspects as well. Before we dive into the stock and everything and all the updates, make sure you smash that thumbs up button and check out our other videos on cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, etc. We hope you find massive value in this video and those videos as well. Last but not least, let's dive in this video right now. All right, brothers, so the first thing we're going to be talking about is what is the stock? And the stock is TTCF, known as Tattooed Chef. So I've addressed the stock a multitude of times before. And again, like I said, I think it has massive upside. And I think the industry is massive as well. Kind of like Planet 13 and their innovative space and the industry that they're in as well. So first off, let's look at some numbers. 2021 outlook. Revenue, 235 to 242 million, a gross margin from 16 up to 22%, and adjusted EBITDA 14 to 17 million. So those are some good looking financial numbers. This is some good balance sheet information. So where is the stock trading at? The stock has been trading at around anywhere from 18 to 21 to $22 a share. A market capitalization of about $1.56 billion, which still puts us at about still a small market capitalization company. As you know, small market capitalization stocks are currently my favorite assets to invest in because I feel as if the larger stocks and the larger ETFs and a multitude of those are currently overvalued. Now again, they have been printing more and more money, which will probably continue to inflate the bubble of the stock market that we're currently in. So I still think smart market capitalization companies and these small market caps are the best opportunity for upside. So if you look right here, some other highlights. So the revenue growth year over year went from 67.9 million to 103 million. So that's a 52% increase year over year. Established brand. So, they've increased from 38 million to 69.1 million, and they have strong resources. So over 140 million cash on hand balance sheet, 275,000 square feet management of manufacturing, and a capacity to quadruple in 2021, giving an opportunity for strategic M&A. And the sales and marketing launched the first national media campaign, and they brand the store count to triple in 2021 and create 35 new products. That is huge. Products are very imperative. Again, when I think of this, when you think of frozen pizza, you think of DiGiorno or other industries like that and companies. I think Tattooed Chef is going to make up a huge industry in the frozen food department, and there's a lot of growth in that industry as well. Plant-based foods are expected to reach $162 billion by 2030, and here's the graph of that. So right now we're at about $35.6 billion. And by 2030, it's expected to reach 162 billion. So if TTCF can reach, a great amount of that current market capitalization or where they think it's going to be reached, that could mean massive upside potential for the stock. TCF right here is trading on about 18.43, so $18.43 a share. And if you look at the operations overview, again, like I said, they have the capacity to quadruple in 2021, over 275,000 square feet of manufacturing, so they'll be able to manufacture more goods, products, and services, and then be able to get them out into the marketplace. And again, they have a multitude of snacks and alternative tortillas, burritos, handhelds, and gluten-free, soy-free, plant-based meat production. People are trying to eat healthier. They want to live longer. And like I said, the more research and information we've learned about food has always grown, much like technology. So, mass retail case study. So look at this. They have, they've been growing. 3 of the top 10 items, including number 1 and 2 since launch of March 2021, have been Tattooed Chef. So, huge for the plant-based frozen food industry. And as we can see, their entrees, out of the top 10, 3 of them are Tattooed Chef. So we know that people are buying these products, goods, and services. Massive opportunity. This is a great slide right here. So massive opportunity to disrupt the $63 billion U.S. frozen food category. The growth in the frozen food category has been primarily driven by the recent product innovation as a response to the growing demand for great tasting, clean label, and convenient options. The overall frozen food category outpaced the general center of store food categories. Millennials and Gen Z are driving growth in the frozen food section due to convenience, frozen fresh, and plant-based foods. So again, there's the demand for this product, and they are taking advantage of it rapidly. If you look over here, the Tattooed Chef current opportunity is about $42 billion. Frozen appetizers and snacks, frozen breakfast foods, frozen entrees, frozen fruits and vegetables, and frozen plant-based meat alternatives. So they're making up a wide variety of the $63 billion U.S. frozen food category in the opportunity to break those barriers and get that market capitalization and that money that's invested in that industry. So, long-term opportunity to penetrate the $380 billion global frozen food market. The number of customers who say convenience had a significant impact on their food purchase decision has grown from 49% in 2017 to 57% in 2019. So it's increasing. Now, you're going, okay, they're growing, they have a large inventory, they're taking up a good amount of the space. I see the upside. The stock's not too overpricey, it's still a market capitalization, but are they actually in retailer locations? So if you look here, in 2020, 2021, the new areas that they have brought into: Whole Foods, Kroger, Rallies, Save Mart, United Supermarkets, and they're already in Walmart, they're already in Sam's Club, Costco, Target, Trader Joe's, Aldi. So they're expanding across very many entities and stores, which is massive, especially for frozen food, since they're obviously in those aisles and in those supermarkets as well. Tattooed Chef continues to expand national distribution. So if you look right here, the 2021 goal is over 10,000 total stores, and the quarter is expected to be for 2021 Q3 is expected to be over 12,000 plus stores. So they're growing, they're expanding in all those areas. And then last but not least, the leadership team. Obviously, you have Sam Galletti and Sarah Galletti, and it's a strong management team overall. And the main CEO and president has 35 years of experience in the food industry, having served in both operational and investor roles within seafood, breaded vegetables, salsas, and dips, grilled chicken, and organic food companies. So massive leadership team. I feel like they're doing a great job of growing and expanding the business, and as well as the revenue increases. Now, Sarah Galletti, she helps develop the products. So if we look right here, look at the massive increase in products that Tattooed Chef has been innovating over time and broadening their marketplace for their products. So look how much they've increased. Just in 2021, they have over 73 total products, and they've increased 35 total new innovations. So company is growing, expanding. It's in a newer industry, which is what I think has massive upsides. I think the vegan food industry is going to be a great industry overall. And I currently am a owner in this stock. We've mentioned it before. If you found massive upside in this stock, I think there is, and if you found value in this video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button. I appreciate all love and support, and if you want to learn more about financial education, how to invest in assets and increase return on investment over time, and why time is your best asset at a young age, and why you should be learning, investing, reading books, and learn how to be an entrepreneur and all those given assets, check out our website at brotherhoodfinance.com, and check out our packages where you can learn all that information. And if you want to cop some Brotherhood Finance merch, you can do that as well, and you can use code BCooper10 on our website. Much love. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.